Okay, I am again with you. So, this is the story of S sound. I hope you all are waiting for us. So, listen to the story very carefully. I hope you will enjoy that story. One day, there was a beautiful morning. Ahmad and Asma asked their Baba that they wanted to go at the zoo. Baba said, yes, okay, after namaz-e-asr, we will go at the zoo. Ahmad and Asma were very excited. They offered namaz-e-asr and get ready for the outing. On the way, they saw an aeroplane. Who flies the aeroplane? Pilot flies the aeroplane. When they reached at the zoo, they were very excited. There were so many animals in the zoo. First, they saw some alligators. Alligators are wild animals. They are so dangerous. After that, they saw antelope. Antelope were very beautiful. Some antelopes were sleeping under the tree. And then Ahmad and Asma saw anteater, which is grey in color. And they saw anaconda on the tree. They were very scared because anaconda is very dangerous. And then they saw ants. There were so many ants. Some ants were eating leaves and some ants went to their homes. After that, Ahmad and Asma were playing on the grass. Suddenly they saw a beautiful bird, and the bird name was albatross. Albatross was a very beautiful bird. Ahmad and Asma were very excited to see the albatross. So on that day, Ahmad and Asma were very excited because they saw so many animals. Then Baba said, okay, now it's time to leave the zoo. Let's go to the home. So Ahmad and Asma said, okay, Baba, let's go. Okay. Okay, now I hope you all enjoyed this story. It's time to review the vocabulary of S sound. Antelope. Antelope begins with A. Antelope. Aeroplane. Aeroplane begins with A. Aeroplane. Anaconda. Anaconda begins with A. Anaconda. Albatross. Albatross begins with A. Albatross. Anteater. Anteater begins with A. Anteater.